Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a minimal project quickly. Open your editor, add index, HTML plus style, CSS and app, JS and link app, JS with a defer script tag so it runs after HTML loads. Once done, launch live server to view changes hot. Make sure to include a root element with an ID you will target. This avoids null selections. You now have a working page and a connected script file. Move on to adding behavior with Javascript. You now wire interactivity by selecting DOM nodes and caching them in variables to avoid repeated lookups. Then attach event listeners for clicks, inputs, and forms, and call modular functions that change the DOM. This keeps code readable. When consuming APIs, use fetch with async/await and update the UI after awaiting data. Store minimal state in an object so your UI reflects that state. Make sure to handle errors in try/catch so failures don't break the whole page. You finish by polishing interactions. Toggle CSS classes for visible changes, ensure elements are focusable, and test keyboard navigation and responsive layouts. Once satisfied, minify or compress images and scripts and deploy to a static host. Most hosts accept a single build folder. Finally, verify on multiple devices and run Lighthouse for basic metrics. If something breaks, inspect the browser console first. Verify your selectors and script loading order, and then clear the cache to rule out stale files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.